Once again, good morning. This is Stone Pickers. Now I will show you my new pickup stone. You can see uh, it's also a unique. This is also a unique. Look like the black carbonate diamond in my previous video, but this is not the black. You can see the other color beside the white crystal, melting white crystal. That is not a black, that is a green. This is a green color, green combination with the white crystals, looks like melting. That is the fusion class, and this is the white and the green color. So this is also carbonado, a green palasite. I don't know what this kind of meteorite is this. You can see that is the green side, the white, that is the green color, green. Oh, so heavy, so hard, and so heavy. Oh, it's almost 3.5 kilogram. That is exactly 3.3 kilogram. This is the unique also. That is all my new pickup stone, the carbonado black diamond. This is the real carbonado black diamond. If you are interested, just contact me in my just PM me in my account in my Facebook with Jonathan Caber. Okay, that is the unique green. Yeah, that is the unique green. Okay, thank you.